I, Dr. Harish Bapat, welcomes you to Param Siddh Yoga and Meditation. We shall start our guided meditation by chanting Lord Ganesha mantra. Om Gam Ganpataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganpataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganpataye Namaha. Close your eyes. Sit in a comfortable position. Relax your mind and body. Let all the stress and tensions go. Your breath should be normal and deep. Now I will count from 1 to 3, and the moment you hear now relax, you will be into the deepest state of meditation. 1. Just feel yourself in a very comfortable, calm and relaxed state of body and mind. 2. Going into the deeper and deeper and deepest state of relaxation. Each and every muscle, each and every nerve of your body is getting completely relaxed. And 3. Now relax. You are into the deepest state of meditation. You are listening to my voice only. Have gratitude towards parents, gurus, entire universe, lords, and the absolute supreme power. Have a feeling of compassion. Forgive everybody and yourself. Let everybody and you forgive yourself. Pray to the Almighty to forgive you. All the diseases and diseases producing viruses are getting drained out from your body. All the diseases and diseases producing viruses are getting drained out from your body. All the harmful substances and harmful thoughts are getting squeezed out from this body and mind. Your body and mind are now completely cleansed and pure. Have a feeling of complete surrender and unity with Supreme Power, who is omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient. The blessings of Almighty is spreading all over the universe in the form of golden, glittering lights. You are making yourself open and available to the blessings of Almighty. These divine blessings in the form of golden glittering lights are illuminating and radiating from this body, mind and soul. Completely rinsed into these blissful, peaceful, divine blessings. This absolute and infinite nectar of divine blessings are flourishing into absolute virtues for the life. Every cell, every tissue, every muscle, every bone, every joint, every nerve, each and every organ, mind and soul are getting healed. Every cell, every tissue, every muscle, every bone, every joint, every nerve, each and every organ, mind and soul are getting absolutely healed. It's getting absolutely refreshed, rejuvenated, and revitalized, feeling absolutely young and enthusiastic. It's getting absolutely refreshed, rejuvenated, and revitalized, feeling absolutely young and enthusiastic. These blessings are revealing absolute knowledge, intelligence, and wisdom. These blessings are revealing absolute knowledge, intelligence, and wisdom. This being is blessed with absolute prosperity, wealth, and riches. This being is blessed with absolute prosperity, wealth, and riches. Booming self-confidence and courage is your existential identity. Booming self-confidence and courage is your existential identity. Your communication skills are becoming absolutely efficient and effective. Your communication skills are becoming absolutely efficient and effective. This existence is being blessed with respectful long life. This existence is being blessed with respectful long life. This divine nectar of golden glittering light is filling this life with absolute peace, absolute bliss, absolute good fortune, and absolute love and self-love. This divine nectar of golden glittering light is filling this life with absolute peace, absolute bliss, absolute good fortune, and absolute love and self-love. This life is getting completely transformed by these divine blessings of Almighty. Have a feeling of deep gratitude for that supreme power. Now it's time to come back to your conscious state. Now onwards, it will be very conscious life and achieving thumping success in all dimensions. With the count of 3, you will be back to your normal conscious state of mind. 1. Slowly you are coming back to conscious state. 2. Slowly and gradually you are now approaching to a very conscious state of mind. And 3. Now you are out of the state of the meditation and in a very conscious and delightful state of mind, feeling better than before, feeling the blessings all over your body, mind and soul. Now you can open your eyes slowly. Thank you.